I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello everyone. I decided today's project will be zombie apocalypse weapons. I personally don't place any value in crazy zombie scenarios, but I'm sure if it does happen, I will sleep through the beginning of it and wake up to the fact that all the good weapons have been taken. So I'll have to throw together one of my own. With little research and some preparation, I could just about make anything. So I decided to set some ground rules. 1. No electricity. Come on now, the world just ended. 2. I can only use what I have on hand. I will be using my battery-operated drills. I'll give them a free pass because they have been sitting on the bench and I have no idea when they were last charged. I also won't be taking apart any of my existing projects or using any premium materials I might have laying around. It may be the end of the world, but we still have a budget. I'll start out by looking around the garage to see what is available. I really need to clean this place up again. This 2x2 looks like the great start of a weapon. And I think I have a few old saw blades on the shelf over here. I saved this naugahyde material from my last paying gig, and it might come in handy. This was supposed to be used in another project for a cane with a switchblade in the handle, but I didn't get any further than this. To me, this looks like a good start for an improvised apocalypse weapon. I'll start by cutting the handle to a comfortable length. Then I can use a handsaw to cut a curve into the end to receive the saw blade. I can use files to shape the other end for a comfortable grip. The naugahyde can be cut into strips about half an inch wide or so. I can fashion a loop on the end and secure it with staples. Then I'll wrap the remaining strips around the handle to help hold the loop in place and provide a nice grip while swinging this baby at zombies and feral kangaroos. Now I will attach the saw blade to the handle. I will start by drilling a hole into the end of the handle. I want to use a lag bolt to hold the blade in place. Then I can force the saw blade into the curve and install the lag bolt with a washer. On one side of the handle, I drilled an oversized hole so the pieces can be drawn together when I tighten the lag bolt. This looks pretty wicked,